X-ray of children inserted in the machine. The picture is viral. Due to various diseases, X-ray have to be done on different parts of the human body. Although the tasks can be done normally in the case of adults, the problem occurs in the case of children. Because children do not want to be fixed in front of the X-ray machine. However, a strange way has been found to solve the problem of such children. A picture recently posted on Twitter has gone viral. As can be seen in the picture, the children are kept standing inside a transparent tube. There is an X-ray machine on the back. The hands are placed upside down in the tube so that the children cannot move. However, looking at the pictures, it is understood that the children were not happy at all. They will not be harmed. But strangely enough, everyone has made different comments about this method. Some have joked about it, however, many were not happy with such a solution. They have called it inhuman to keep children locked in such a tube. Suddenly found $22,500 gold went out for a walk. A man goes for a walk in Bendigo, Australia with his two daughters and his house dog, Lucky. The day was Mother's Day, although the mother did not go out to walk with them that day. A girl kicked a rock lying on the side of the road while walking, but he immediately realized that it was not a rock or lump of clay. The parents realized that it was a piece of gold. They immediately rediscovered the piece. You see, it is really gold. With joy, they began to dance. Their joy knew no bounds. The gold piece weighed 56.99 grams. Its estimated market value is $22,500. The family said they had been in financial crisis for several years. This piece of gold has returned their fortunes. They will solve their financial problem by selling the gold. However, they did not want to reveal their identities. They have no idea where this piece of gold came from. Proficient in 108 languages at the age of 8. Wow, it's really unbelievable. Only 6 years old. That is the hand of world victory. In the meantime, Neal Thoguluva from Chennai in India has mastered the art of reading and writing in 1008 languages. This talent of Neal in the field of language learning is being appreciated all around. In addition to learning the major languages spoken in India, Neal Thoguluva learned the International Phonetic Alphabet (IPA). IPA is an internationally recognized medium for determining the pronunciation of spoken language. He also taught his parents how to pronounce different languages by himself. According to Neal Thoguluva, I can read and write more than 1008 languages. I can speak 10 languages fluently. I am currently trying to learn 5 more languages. Neal's father, Shankar Narayan, said interest in Neal's language grew early last year. Since then, he has relentlessly learned one language after another.